Viewers, welcome. Let's provide answer to this question. Question number 2 of the just ended WASSCE June 2023. So in a football match, the tickets for children and adults were sold at the cost of 3. Could be any amount that D stands for any denomination, so I'll be using cedis. 3 Ghana cedis and 5 Ghana cedis respectively. So if 400 people attended the football match and 1,700 Ghana cedis was collected in ticket sales, 1. How many tickets were sold to adults? 2. Mr. Sonko sold 250 tickets, and if 175 of the tickets were for adults, how much sales did he make altogether? So taking the first part, knowing very well that 3 cedis is for the children and 5 cedis is for the adult. So if in this amount, it means there is a particular number of children times 3 cedis plus a particular number of adult times 5. If I add the two together, I should be realizing this amount. And that number of children plus that number of adults should be equal to people that attended the football match. So there are 400 people, which means adults plus children are 400. So this could be equations that we can use an unknown variable to represent. So in this case, if I am going to start by letting variables to represent what? The children. So let X represent children. Then we are going to let Y represent what? Adult. Right? If that's the case. Then we know that per number of children plus adults are 400 that attended the match. Children plus adults equals 400. Good. So now the total number of this is, if there are 5 of them, it means 5 times 3 Ghana cedis. If there are 2 of them, 2 times 5 Ghana cedis should be giving us 1,700. So what I mean is that 3 Ghana cedis times the children plus 5 Ghana cedis times the adult should give us an amount of 7,000 what? 1,700. Right? So this gives us an equation which is simultaneous equation involving 2 variables. We can eliminate any of the variables when we have the same coefficient. So I'll be multiplying equation 1 by what? 3. This 3, so that I eliminate x. And that will be giving me 3y plus, 3x plus 3y equals to 3, 4, 12 times 100, 1,200. Let me say this is my equation 3. So solving equation 3 and equation 2 simultaneously, I'll be subtracting equation 3 from equation 2. So I have equation 3 minus equation 2. 3 minus 3, 0. 5y minus 3y will give you 2y equals to 1,700 minus 1,200. That will give us 500. But we are looking for y. So divide by 2, divide by 2. Y will be 250. 250 is for what? Is for the number of adults. So if there are 10 adults at the football match, it means 10 tickets goes for what? The adult, right? So the question says, how many tickets were sold to the adult? Since the adults are 250 of them, it means that there are 250 tickets. So in this case, therefore, there are 250 tickets that are sold to the adult. I believe that part is clear. The number of tickets equates the number of adults in that football match. All right. Okay, so for the second part, Don't forget that we did not continue to find for the x, which is the number of children, because we are obviously not looking for number of children. Our attention is on number of adults, which is the number of tickets sold to the adult. That's why we ended there. You could continue if you want to find the number of tickets for children. Subtracting 250 from 400 will give you that answer. So for Mr. Songo, he sold 250 tickets. 250 of the tickets that have been sold. 175 of the tickets were for adult, right? So how much sales was made altogether? We know that adult is having 175. So what will be the number of tickets going for the children? Since there are 250 of them, we subtract 175 from that in order to get a number allocated for what? The children. So in this case, what did we do? 175, which will be 5, subtraction. This is going to be 4. So 14, 7. We have 75. All right. So 75 for children, 175 for adults. So total amount is going to be this is going to be 5 times 175 plus 3 times 75. 75 for children and the amount is 3 cedis. 175 for adult and amount is what? 5 cedis. So let's multiply and get their total sum. This right here is going to be, so we have 875 plus 225 will give us 1,100. So if I'm to indicate that, so this is going to be 1,100 will be the total amount that Mr. Sonko is going to get all together. That is selling the amount to children, which will be 225. Then for the adult, 875. The two together will produce 1,100. I believe the concept is clear in terms of this. If you have any questions, you relay that in the comment section. Share, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.